English to Afrikaans. I had equals.
Ek het gehad.
Past of have. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Ready to laugh and learn Afrikaans fast? Quick setup. Today you'll master the past of to have. And yes, by the end you can proudly say, I had.
Ek het gehad.
Let's roll. Your goal today. In one coffee break, you'll lock in the whole family of had in Afrikaans. Aim 1. Recognize and say all 8 forms: I, you, he, she, it, we, you plural, they had. Aim 2. Use them in a short, funny dialogue. Aim 3. Clap the rhythm so
Het gehad.
sticks in memory. Forms at a glance. Say them with me, nice and clear. I'll read English, you echo the Afrikaans. I had.
Ek het gehad.
You had, singular.
Jy het gehad.
He had.
Hy het gehad.
She had.
Sy het gehad.
It had.
Dit het gehad.
We had.
Ons het gehad.
You had, plural.
Julle het gehad.
They had.
Hulle het gehad.
Mini dialogue. The case of the missing keys. Act this out with me, point, gasp, be dramatic. You've got this. A. Yesterday, I had the keys. I had equals.
Ek het gehad.
Die sleutels. B. Are you sure? He had them when we left. He had equals.
Hy het gehad.
Dit toe ons weg is. A. Wait, she had the map, right? She had equals.
Sy het gehad.
Die cart. B. The app didn't work. It had a glitch. It had equals.
Dit het gehad.
In fout. A. Relax, we had a spare key. We had equals.
Ons het gehad.
An extra sleutel. B. You had, plural, the tickets, team. You had, plural, equals.
Julle het gehad.
Die kartjies. A. In the end, they had everything in one bag. They had equals.
Hulle het gehad.
Alice in een sack. B. And you, singular, had a mini heart attack. You had, singular, equals.
Jy het gehad.
En mini skak. Rhythm drill. Had on the beat. Clap on 1 and 3, speak on 2 and 4. Yes, your neighbors will love this. Clap, I had.
Ek het gehad.
Clap. Clap, you had, singular.
Jy het gehad.
Clap. Clap, he had.
Hy het gehad.
Clap. Clap, she had.
Sy het gehad.
Clap. Clap, it had.
Dit het gehad.
Clap. Clap, we had.
Ons het gehad.
Clap. Clap, you had, plural.
Julle het gehad.
Clap. Clap, they had.
Hulle het gehad.
Clap. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. If your plant looks impressed, you're doing it right. Q. Translate, I had to Afrikaans. A.
Ek het gehad.
Q. Translate, you had, singular. A.
Jy het gehad.
Q. She had no time. Say the key phrase for she had. A.
Sy het gehad.
Q. It had a bug. The core phrase? A.
Dit het gehad.
Q. We had a plan. The core phrase? A.
Ons het gehad.
Q. You had the tickets, plural. The core phrase? A.
Julle het gehad.
Q. They had the map. The core phrase? A.
Hulle het gehad.
Culture tip. The famous double knee. You're leveling up. Here's a handy negative form you'll hear everywhere. Pattern. Did not have equals.
Het nie gehad nie.
Example. I didn't have time.
Ek het nie tyd gehad nie.
Example. They didn't have a choice.
Hulle het nie 'n keuse gehad nie.
Swap in any subject you like. You, singular, equals.
Jy,
You, plural, equals.
julle,
We equals.
Ons.
Challenge time. Make 3 short sentences about yesterday using different subjects. Try. We had great weather. Say the core first.
Ons het gehad.
Then add the rest. Try. You had, plural, the best seats. Start with.
Julle het gehad.
Try. They had a good idea. Begin with.
Hulle het gehad.
Bonus funny one. He had a sandwich, she had regrets.
Hy het gehad.
In Tobrudia.
Sy het gehad.
Spite. Goodbye and keep going. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I had, you had, he, she, it had, we had, you had, plural, they had, with their Afrikaans buddies.
Ek het gehad. Jy het gehad. Hy het gehad. Sy het gehad. Dit het gehad. Ons het gehad. Julle het gehad. Hulle het gehad.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Tot volgende keer.